part 2. So we have already done the level 1 which contains the initial level of the mole concept, which contains the basics. So now we are going to the level 2 questions. So let's get started. So students, in the level 1 video we have seen this type of concept and we have already done the level 1 question, mole to gram and grams to mole. ये कैलकुलेट करना हमने लेवल 1 में ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. So we are moving to the level 2. So in this video we will see how to calculate mole to number of atoms or number of molecules or number of molecules to number of moles. ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे and we will also cover whenever you have given the mass, so how to calculate the number of molecules. So these three types of questions we are going to cover in this video. So let's get started. So students, here is our first question. What question says a glass of water contains 5 mole of water. So how many molecules of water are present in a glass? Suppose आपने 1 glass of water पानी पिया और if I ask you how many molecules you have intake, तो आपको ये बताना है आपने कितने molecules intake किए water के. So let's see, calculate करते हैं हमने कितने number of molecules ले लिए. So students, as I said in the previous level video also, what you have to do firstly, always write the concept. What our concept says, mole is equals to gram equivalent mass, and here what you have to write, number of atoms or molecules. So number of molecules, here हमें molecules calculate करने हैं. So we will write number of molecules, right? Now let's see हमारा relationship क्या है question में. You have given the number of moles and you have to calculate number of molecules. यहाँ पे weight के बारे में कोई भी बात नहीं हुई है students. This is very important. So what you have to do, हमें relationship मिला है mole to number of molecules, right? So यहाँ पे weight के बारे में कोई बात नहीं है. So don't try to calculate the weight. You don't waste time for this. So we will directly calculate from mole to molecules. बहुत से बार students क्या mistake करते हैं, वो यहाँ पे वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकालेंगे फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बट मास से हमें यहाँ पे कोई भी मतलब नहीं है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मोल टू नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट डिड आई से. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द फर्स्ट थिंग, ऑलवेज वी विल राइट फॉर द 1 मोल, राइट? ओके. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द सेकंड थिंग, जो गिवन है उसको हम लिखते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, जो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है वो हम लिखेंगे राइट हैंड साइड. सो हियर मोल्स गिवन है, हमें कैलकुलेट करने हैं नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. हियर फर्स्टली वी विल राइट द फर्स्ट लाइन फॉर द 1 मोल. सो 1 मोल ऑफ वाटर कंटेन्स, नाउ टेल मी, 1 मोल ऑफ वाटर हमें यहाँ क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. ये रिलेशनशिप है. सो 1 मोल ऑफ वाटर कंटेन्स, we all know that 1 mole is always contains 6.02 to 10 raised by 23 molecules, right? So what we will write, 6.023 into 10 raised by 23 molecules, right students? So because water के molecules ही हो गए, so here we are writing the 6.023 into 10 raised by 23 molecules. Now what we have to calculate for the 5 mole. Very easy. So in the 5 mole of water will contain how many molecules? Easily crisscross करेंगे students, and what will happen? 6.023 into 10 raised by 23 into 5. Let's calculate this. How many number of molecules will be there? So there will be, when we will multiply this, around 30.115 into 10 raised by 23 molecules. Don't forget to write the molecules. Okay? Here don't forget to write the unit. कितने number of molecules है atoms examiner को नहीं करते. So you have to write 30.115 into 10 raised by 23 molecules are here in the 1 glass of water. So see, आपने 1 glass water में इतने सारे molecules intake किए water के. So students, let's move to the another question. So students, our next question is calculate the weight of 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon. So question देखने में थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी लग रहा है, but it's very easy. Let's see. हमें simply हमारे step by steps follow करने हैं. We can easily calculate the results. So now firstly, what is our first step? We will write the concept. Here is a mole. Here is number of atoms, and here we will write what? Number gram equivalent mass. Right students? So now let's see हमारे क्वेश्चन का रिलेशनशिप कैसे बैठ रहा है. So here we have provided the weight. Okay, weight हमें यहाँ पे ये given है, and we have to calculate the weight and we have provided the number of atoms. So हमें atoms से ये calculate करना है, right? So relationship from here to here. So directly we will not go directly. Firstly हम atom से mole calculate करेंगे, then mole से mass calculate करेंगे. Getting my point? यहाँ से हम पहले mole calculate करेंगे, फिर यहाँ से ये calculate करेंगे. Let's see, it's very easy. Again, firstly we will write for the number of moles. So सबसे पहले मुझे given है. अब पहले ये relationship देखते हैं. Number of atoms given है और 1 mole के लिए लिखना है. So what I will write? 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Here atoms are here. So okay, atoms of carbon contains 1 mole. Right students? So ये first statement हमारा always 1 mole के लिए होता है. But always remember that in the left hand side which is given we write, and in the left hand right hand side we write what we have to calculate. Now 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 will contain how many moles? Okay, so it's very easy. Let's crisscross. So 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. So ये easily cut down है 2. Okay, so here we got 2 moles. 2 moles मेरा आ गया. यहाँ से यहाँ जो मैंने calculate किया, number of moles I made was 2. Now I have to calculate from here to here. Right? Very easy. अब given है mole, calculate करना है mass. Always for the 1 mole, right? So what I will write? First line will be always for the 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon contains how many? Weight 12 gram, right? यही होता है. So 2 mole will contain how many? It's simply 2 mole is 24 gram. It's our answer, right? Isn't it easy students? So आपको सब जगह आपका ये सब tricks follow करते जाना है step by step. You will easily come to know what is the answer. Students, ये initially आपको थोड़ा सा long method लग रहा होगा, but when you will do the more practice, you can do it very easily and very fastly as compared to when you apply the formulas also. So this is a unitary method. In this method, you don't need to apply any kind of formulas. Okay, so let's move to our third type of questions. So students, what is our next question is in 294 gram of H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, king of acids. How many molecules of H2SO4 are present? So let's see क्या question का relationship है. First we will write what? Mole. Here number of molecules, right? Don't forget to write this concept. And here we will write gram equivalent mass. Okay, so let's see our relationship. Here we are provided the weight and we have to calculate the number of molecules. So relationship is from here बहुत रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स। इनिशियली आपको इसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट आफ्टर दैट ये ट्रिक आपके माइंड में इतना सेट हो जाएगा कि आप माइंड में ये रिलेशनशिप इजीली कर पाओगे, राइट। सो इनिशियल लेवल पे आपको ये रिलेशनशिप लिखना है। आफ्टर दैट जब आप थोड़े क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपको इजीली माइंड में ये रिलेशनशिप सेट हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन देखते ही। सो आफ्टर दैट यू डोंट नीड टू राइट दिस रिलेशनशिप। ओके, सो लेट्स सी, हम ट्राई करते हैं फ्रॉम मास टू मोल। लेट्स कैलकुलेट फर्स्टली मास टू मोल। Always we write for the 1 mole. Okay. So students, can you tell me what is the mass of 1 mole H2SO4? देखते हैं, H2SO4 है हमारा, हाइड्रोजन है 2, right? H2SO4, हाइड्रोजन का मास हो गया 2, सल्फर का 32, and here oxygen, 1 oxygen has 16, 4 oxygen are here. So 16 into 4, that is 64. So let's see what will be the answer. That will be 98 gram. Okay, so 1 mole H2SO4 contains 98 gram. So I will write firstly 98 gram of H2SO4 contains what is 1 mole, right students? यही होगा, बिकॉज हमें यहां से यहां जाना है ना। सो जो गिवन है वो मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिख रही हूँ, जो कैलकुलेट करना है आई राइट इन द राइट हैंड साइड। ओके, सो नाउ 98 grams contains 1 mole, 294 gram. 294 gram H2SO4 will contain how many moles? क्रिस क्रॉस करेंगे, लेट्स सी। सो हमारा आ जाएगा 294 डिवाइडेड बाय 98। कैलकुलेट, लेट्स कैलकुलेट इट, कितना होगा? इट विल बी अराउंड 3 मोल। सो मेरे आ गए 3 मोल। सो मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप तो मेरा क्लियर हो गया। आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड 3 मोल्स आर हियर। नाउ 3 मोल्स से आपको नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं। बहुत इजी हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स। अब आपको पता है 1 मोल में 6.02 into 10⁻23 होता है, तो 3 मोल में क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3। लेट्स सी नाउ मोल टू नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। सो मोल गिवन है, सो आई व्हाट आई विल राइट 1 मोल ऑफ H2SO4 contains how many molecules? 6.023 into 10⁻23 molecules, right? So 3 moles. So 3 mole will contain how many number of molecules? Very easy. So what we will do? We will multiply 6.02 into 10⁻23 multiply by 3. So let's do it. 6.023 into 10⁻23 multiply by 3. So 3 6 are 18, so it will be something around that. So you can calculate it easily and we will get the number of molecules. Don't try to forget here number of molecules. Okay, so isn't it easy? So we have done the so many types of questions. Mole to number of molecules also, mole to number of mass, mass to molecules. So it's very easy students. What you have to do, just apply the step by step, you will come to know each and everything. Okay, so that's all for the level 2 video students. In the level 3 we will do some different kind of questions, so be ready for the level 3 and do practice of these types of questions. Thank you.